up from the previous one, we're going to travel the lift hip circle, which is what I called it. Alright, so if you haven't seen the other video, you're going to need to watch that one first if you've never learned that before. Because I'm not going to break that down, I'm only going to go straight into the move itself, the traveling combination. So let's go. Please warm up first. You've got to warm up first. You have to warm up first and then come and dance with me. Okay. Alright, let's do a little shimmy first, regardless. So, get into your heels. Heels firmly on the floor. Knees are bent. Sit heavy. Make sure you're sticking your bottom out and neither tucking it too far in. You want to be in neutral. Tummy is engaged. So halfway tummy pop. In my school, in this BellyDance school, we have a halfway tummy pop. So these are tummy pops where you contract the belly. It's like doing sit-ups without having to go to the gym. Yes. So you do it like this, okay? In fact, let's do some. So let's have squeeze, release, squeeze, release. So you contract the belly. Imagine your belly button is going to touch your spine. There's many reasons why I teach this in my school, and we do it all the time. Many reasons, but you have to come to my school to find out why. So in and out, contract, release, keep chest lifted. And now faster. In, out, 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 in, out. All right, we're going to do a shimmy on top. You can have the vibration shimmy, or you can have loose shimmy. I'll let you choose. In, out, belly, belly. If you're a complete beginner, this is going to be insane and far too much. So you can choose to either just do the belly, squeeze, release, or just do the shimmy. The loose shimmy is knees together, thighs to the forward and back, hips reach towards your ribs. So not out, but up, vertically upwards towards your ribs. So you've got to use your obliques, these babies right here. And my legs stay bent and my heels stay on the floor. This is your loose shimmy. In my school, we call this the loose shimmy. Now, if you're brand new to this, you're going to struggle because you're going to have one leg, and everyone has to go through this. One leg that is stronger than the other. And then one goes and it jerks and it twitches and stuff like that. It's very normal. You just have to learn how to control it. And I teach you that in my school as well, how to control and get the best out of your movements. Anyway, so thighs go forward and back, get the hips to go up and down, lengthen your arms. So option one, just do the shimmy. Option two, just do the belly pops. We call them belly pops in my school, because you're popping your belly. It will tone your muscles. So it's like doing sit-ups without having to do sit-ups. Woo! Okay. Squeeze, 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 release, squeeze, release. 4, 3, 2, and release. Okay, so you still need to warm up though, right? Unless that made you really hot, you still need to warm up. Okay, quickly go over our hip lifts. Up, up, up. We're going straight into the combination, the move of hip lift, hip circles. We're going to go into it now, but I break it down in the other video, so watch that first. And now we're going to go front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. The hard part is this side, because your body has to lean this way and this hip has to go. So they're kind of coming to meet each other, so it's harder on this side. So just to let you know, 5, 6, 7, front, side, hip lift, hip lift, hip lift, hip lift, hip lift. Travel in a circle. You've got to cover the ground with the floor, or your feet even. One hand, 2, 3, let's go faster, smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now today we travel. Woo! Let's go. So, remember, belly dance is all about angles and muscle control and muscle isolation and technique. It's a lot more to it than that, but for the purpose of what I want to talk about today, let's leave it there, right? So, we all have a best side, and we all have angles like a supermodel. Doesn't matter what you think you look like, everybody has a good side. Everyone, including you, right? So, what we have to do is, we're going to travel down. You have to find your most flattering line. So I like to aim my body between 2 and 3 o'clock. So if this is 12, it's 1, 2, 3, right? I want to aim my body somewhere in the middle. And that way, that's going to be the best line for my body and my shape. So you have to select what works for you, your body, your shape. It might not be the same as mine, okay? So, we're going to do it front, side, back, side. You have to travel mostly forward on the first step. You see that? I travel forward on the front. Okay, let's do it again. No circle, just the legs. So, you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Travel. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go again. So now we do this with the hip lifts. We go slow first, and then we go fast. Okay? Hands wherever you want, but I advise somewhere nice. Out of the way, okay? If you're a more advanced dancer, you can experiment and do whatever you want with your hands as you're dancing. But if you're brand new to it, I encourage you to pick a position and just leave your hands there. Think about it, okay? 5, 6, 7, and front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Okay, we're going faster. If you're not ready to go faster, then you just have to press pause and practice a little bit on your own. Okay? Alright, let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front. Let's get the angles of the body. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Woo! And now, let's just do it on the spot to finish. Okay? Trying to get as much shape in your hips as possible. So now we shrink it. We shrink it a lot. Okay, so you just want to go really deep. So in my school, I always teach my students to dance from the inside out, from deep, deep, deep within the body, okay? So here we have on the inside, push it. So I keep it more internal now. So it's less about the body and more about the muscles, okay? I'm big on muscles, so I teach you all how to dance effectively using your body and your muscles in the right way. That's the best way for your body, not mine, not the person next to you in class, but for your body, okay? So, we have, let's have it tight hip lifts. Up, 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 ready? And up, 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 up. Yes! Okay, so remember, before you leave and run away, rewind and do it on the other leg. You can't be lopsided, people, okay? It's all good for you. So don't be lopsided. So if you want to learn with me properly, come to my school. Here in the studio. Here in the studio with me or online. The really good thing about my online courses in my online school is they're exactly the same as if you was here in person. Okay, so you learn exactly what you would learn with me in the studio online. Just a video version of what we did in class. So it's so cool, you get to progress with this from week to week and learn progressively. It's like going to university or earning your black belt in karate or something. You progress through the levels and learn properly. You also get to learn lots of my methodology and stuff like that. So come and practice with me, train with me, I'll look after you. And you will make lots and lots of progress